How to add the business address in contact option on your Instagram account. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open your Instagram. Then when your Instagram is opening, you go down and you open your profile. Then when your profile is opening, you go to edit profile and then go to contact option and go to business address and click. Then you will add your, for example, this is my street and this is my city. For example, it's New York. For example, New York. You add the zip code. For example, it's like this. And when I finish, I just go to this and click save and save again. Then I will back to my profile to see if it's work or not. I will go, and here, as you see now, I add my address business. And that's it guys. I hope this video is useful and helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you